How to reduce CPU temperature. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. In order to lower or reduce your CPU temperature, using the search bar at bottom left corner of the screen, type in Edit Power Plan and open it. Now click on Change Advanced Power Settings at bottom left corner of this window. And now, from this section, you have to scroll down and search for Processor Power Management. Double-click and open and expand it. Now simply you have to select maximum processor state and by default it will be set to 100%. You can simply change the value to anywhere between 90% and 100%. You need to note that lowering it below 100% may reduce gaming performance, so adjust and test to find the right balance. You can simply delete it and make it to 90% or between 90 to 100%. So for me, setting to 90% works well without impacting gameplay. Try it out and see what works best for you. So that is it. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.